How to follow or unfollow channels on Twitch. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Twitch on your device. Then, go to any person's profile you want to follow or the channel you want to follow. Then you'll find follow in their profile. Simply click on follow in their profile. After you press on follow in their profile, you will be following the person. And if you want to unfollow the person, simply click on the heart-shaped icon in their profile. And now press on unfollow yes. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to follow or unfollow channels on Twitch. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.